Hello everyone, this is your speaker Ibrahim Khan.
This is Ahmed Hassan.
And I'm Ali Karu.
And today we're going to talk about how the consumption of single-use plastics impact the environment. So, what is the issue of single-use plastics? What is our opinion on it? What do we think individuals should do? And what should the government do? Single-use plastics can trigger a lot of problems. They're bad for both the environment and our overall health.
Single-use plastics are an investment to throw away our culture. They are very bad for the environment because they are non-biodegradable, which means it takes a long time for them to decompose. Plus, as a single-use plastics take a long time to decompose, they can contaminate soil and bodies of water.
This causes the toxic chemicals used to manufacture plastics ingested by marine life essentially entering the human food chain. Furthermore, the World Wildlife Fund (WWF) claims that a person could be ingesting 5 grams of plastic per week, which can eventually damage nervous systems, lungs, and reproductive organs.
And also, if you think this isn't bad, then this research that you're about to hear probably is.
The government of Canada has reported that each year approximately 8 tons of plastic gets dumped into our oceans, which is like dumping a garbage truck full of plastic into the ocean every minute. If this continues, by 2050, plastic could outweigh marine life in the ocean.
In our opinion, protecting our environment is very essential.
We now know the dangers of buying and consuming single-use plastics, so now we should try and substitute the single-use plastics with something else. Recently, a scientist made a plastic that can decompose in minutes, and it's not actual plastic. It functions exactly like plastic functions, but when it decomposes, it's safe for humans to drink and fish to drink, so there's no harm in drinking it or for the fish.
But for the time being, until business owners buy that substitute, the steps that we should follow are using reusable bags, avoid non-recyclable plastic bottles and straws, recycle as much as possible, buy items in a bulk to reduce plastic packaging, and reduce consumerism.
If we follow these steps, we will surely reduce our ecological footprint, which would help our environment stay safe.
The government can contribute to this issue by doing things such as banning single-use plastics and replacing them with materials made of paper because they dissolve very easily. So in short, the government and individuals should work together to make the world a better place to live.
What do we do and how we do it?
Our number one goal is to raise awareness against single-use plastic pollution in the water and in the land.
Our mission is to convey our message to as many people as we can.
We do this through social media apps and putting up posters across the community.
As far as it goes for social media, we're available on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. On these platforms, we try to post regular videos, podcasts, and posts about how this issue is impacting our world and what we should do about it.
For our posters, we try to bring up different challenges so our campaigns could be successful and fun at the same time.
Another thing we do is power non-profit fundraisers and ask people to donate to us.
This is because we are trying to collect funds and hire people to clean our oceans.
We are cleaning oceans because, as mentioned before, we are trying to preserve marine life.
So what is our message for you? Our message is, save our oceans.
Our oceans are in a very terrible situation right now. For the past 60 years or so, people on the earth have misused the ocean and destroyed it.
To fix and fight through this issue, we need your help. We know this is a very broad issue that needs the involvement of the government, but there are some things we as individuals can control.
Things such as using reusable bags, avoiding non-recyclable plastic bottles and straws, recycling much as possible, buying items in a bulk to reduce plastic packaging, and reducing consumerism can potentially make a change.
That's why so many environmental activists like us are taking part in this issue and helping the world and becoming a better place to live. In this case, we think your duty is to help save our oceans by donating funds to us. So please donate to us in our monthly fundraisers so we can use them for the cause of saving our oceans.
And don't be scared when you donate, because we will let you know and show you where our fundraisers are going and how your money is being utilized.
So let's join together and make a change today.
Thank you for your time and support.